Hello, it's Mr. Jacob879 and today I'm gonna show you how to get good and bad guns. Okay, first we are here at the underpass, West Commons West. You can do this sheet. Yeah, it's a very good sheet. Okay, so you stay here, and yeah, you jump up here. This is, I think, the easiest sheet or glitch in Borderlands. Okay, so you open this, and sometimes you're going to get very good weapons. Let's see, it's better than this, not better than this. Look what I found. I found this weapon here. It is a glitch, I don't know how, but look, it's not a Murdoch or a Jacobs, is nothing. I found it here, not a glitch. Yeah, so this time I don't get so good weapons and other things. Class Recruitment Hunter, no. This is Hunter, okay. So, you jump down. You're going to respawn. Whoa, shit, it cost very much. But I have a cheat, so it doesn't, yeah. So, oh wait, you must go back. Yeah, you close and then you open it again. These sheets work on PlayStation 3 too. If you have PlayStation or Xbox, it works on those. Go to driver. Let's see if they have alien weapons. I found 2 alien weapons there. No, 1, I mean. No, 3, I mean. I'm sorry. Okay. Ooh. Go up here. Go up here. Okay, this time it looks like got good weapons. 25, 28, 25. That looks nice. So that is the sheet. Goodbye.